At the beginning, the system provides a default group named Group 1 which is ready for use. You can start adding cargo items to this group immediately. Cargo items can be added either by selecting from predefined items in the system or by creating new ones. A new group can be added by clicking the button located on the left side of the Items panel header. Additionally, you can use the Collapse button on the left side of the groups to save space and focus on the group you are working on. Predefined items are always added to the most recently created group. Each newly added group includes 2 additional buttons located on the right side of the group header panel. The first button allows you to add new cargo items directly to that group. The second button provides the option to delete all items within the group or remove the group entirely along with its contents. Sorting groups is simple. You can rearrange them by dragging and dropping, making your loading plan more efficient and organized. You can rename each group according to your needs, making it easier to navigate between different groups. With the Ignore Grouping feature, the created groups are disregarded, and the loading plan is treated as a whole. This allows the algorithm to process all cargo items as a single group to achieve the best possible result. To move a cargo item from one group to another, simply drag and drop it into the target group. This feature allows you to organize your loads as needed. By arranging the groups and moving cargo items between them, you can customize your loading plan. If you want even more control over the loading order, you can use the Keep Item Order feature. This ensures that the algorithm follows the sequence you set within each group. The grouping feature is a powerful tool that enhances the efficiency of the loading process and helps you manage every step in an organized manner.